Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Friend with Benefits Heather Owens Masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Heather Owens Masturbator itself. As you can see, it's a very impressive sized mega masturbator. It has an internal length of 13 centimeters, and this mega masturbator, as you can see, is very realistic looking and feeling as well, with both a vaginal and anal opening. This masturbator is made of TPR, which it feels soft but firm. Both openings feature ribbing on the inside and nubs for extra fantastic intense penis stimulation during use. Now, when using the Heather Owens masturbator, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean the masturbator after every use. And for this, we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Friend with Benefits Heather Owens Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.